In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get your Roblox backup codes for two-step verification. Let's get in. First, launch your Roblox app, navigate to the More page. Once you're over here, click on the Settings option. Now here, you're going to find different option. Click on the option Security. Now navigate to this section, two-step verification. To access your backup codes, you'll need to have two-step verification enabled. So you can enable for the option Authenticator app. Download an app on your phone to generate security codes. Suggested apps include Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator. Once you toggle on for this option, you'll be prompted to enter 6-digit code. Click on Verify. Click on Continue. Now you can head over to Authenticator app. Click on Add Account. Choose Scan a QR code. Scan the QR code shown on your Roblox screen. After linking your authenticator, Roblox will provide a set of backup codes. So this is how you can easily enable backup codes on Roblox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.